Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you our new add-on page speed boost. So in this example for Achieve Florida Homes, you can see currently inside the WP Engine dashboard, this is the Google Lighthouse performance. So desktop 72, mobile 37, not great at all. And this happens over time when you add more plugins to your site, you add more content to your site, things start slowing it down, JavaScript or PHP, whatever it might be, those are the things that slow it down. We do have this site all updated. It's on PHP 8.2, WordPress 6.61, themes are up to date. It does show one plugin up to date, but that's probably not a big deal. However, we can go ahead and update that before we run the next Lighthouse performance as well. So what I'm going to do is we're going to add on our new page speed boost, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on Learn More. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Quick Buy. And we want one environment license. You can see it costs me exactly as much as I am charging you. So kind of a no-brainer here. Okay, now we've gone ahead and added it, and we're going to go ahead and select our environment. And we're going to check on Achieve Florida Homes. Agree to the terms and services and click on Install. Okay, we're going to preview our environment right here. So if I want to preview the site, there we go, loads right up. I don't see any issues. We're just checking it over to see if there's any problems with it. Everything looks good. All right, so everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and double check it and enable. Okay, we're all added. It's going ahead and syncing this data up for us. And we're going to go ahead and go to the environment right here by clicking on it. And now it's going to go ahead and reload the performance. So we're going to wait for that to load. Okay, so I had to wait I had to wait a day for it to refresh inside the WP Engine dashboard, but it took me a couple of days to come back and finish this video. So as you can see now, we used to have a 72 and a 37, I believe, and now we have a 100 and a 92. So the performance score looks awesome. If I click on details, then I can see the full report. Everything is at 100 for desktop, and if I click on the mobile option right here, then you can see everything is almost at 100. Performance is at 92, but cell phones are going to be a little bit harder to optimize for. But this is, I think, the really great improvement for one-click add-on for $20 a month. So I also ran a page speed insights on this, and straight from Google Page Speed, you can see that the performance is 92, accessibility 87, best practice is 100, SEO 92 on mobile. And if you go to desktop, again, 100, 100, 92, 88. So it is excellent. So this is an excellent example of what Page Speed Boost can do for you. And I will try to add a couple more before and after shots of other sites as I get them to this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you'd like to add this onto your site and you host with us, you can simply go to our website at yoursiteneedsme.com, come here to services and click on Page Speed Boost right there. And that's going to bring you right to our hosting, and it's going to jump you down to the Page Speed Boost section where you can read about it, and you can go all the way down to the bottom and you can purchase it right here. When you, if you do not host with us, you can purchase hosting with us right here. We will migrate your site from your current host for free, and all you have to do is sign up. So you can choose the option with just hosting and updates, where we update all your plugins and your WordPress, your PHP, keep your site fairly maintained as far as the updates and the WordPress core and the themes and the plugins go. And then as far as Page Speed Boost, if you want to add that on, you can add that on right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Let us know if you have any questions.